Hey guys, Figurecraft here again. Sorry about that again. The phone hit the max record limit again. But I finally got that cleat in there, so the cleats are in there now. Another thing that I forgot to show y'all that I've done on this model too is right here. This little thing right here. I put some pieces of metal wire in it. Get this bit. Oh, where am I at? This little house thing. And like I said before, what that is, it's a winch. See? And it's got those little metal bars that come out the side of it. So I replicated that now. So the next thing that we got to do is we got to put these little oh, what are they called? Valves. The things that I told you I repainted. These little things. That's the next step. Which, let me get my picture pulled up here on the TV so I can see which way they go. Okay, they both go out to the outside on each side. Alright. So, now I gotta try to attempt to get this thing in place. And that's not going to be an easy task. Oh, what did I do with my tweezers? There they are. So, basically, you have two holes right there. These go in them holes. And as you can see, he's not wanting to do it. Oh, Lord of mercy. Give me a few seconds here, y'all. I'm going to be doing what I do best. Fighting with parts. Yeah, them holes are stubborn. I may have to try to get at least 2 steam valves back loose. So give me a few seconds here while I try to attempt that. Okay, I got one popped loose. I just gotta get the other one popped loose. Alright. I have the 2 outside steam valves popped loose, the 2 gunmetal ones. So if I can just pull those out. Which they were not easy to pull out. Hang on. Yeah. That's a challenge in itself. She's mighty. Oh, got one out, but I'm not looking forward to putting that back in. That one came out easy. Okay, now we have access to get in there. So let's try this again. So I can just get one to go in. I'm going to end the video right here, y'all. I'll be back when I get it in. But I'll see y'all in a few. Goodbye.